Okay, folks, bear with me. Gonna do something a little bit different this week, but nonetheless very important to me. So here's the object of the exercise. My stump socks kept falling off, especially in the wintertime due to dry skin. My lovely wife went to Lush and found this awesome Ultra Balm. It's very tacky on your skin and keeps the sock on all day. The problem is Lush costs a fortune. So after a bit of digging around on the internet, I found this general ingredient recipe. I have putzed and putzed and putzed with this formula until I obtained what I'm looking for. So the original recipe I found online had rose wax, jojoba oil, and candelabra wax. I kept getting acne from the candelabra wax, so I switched to 100% organic, triple filtered, pure beeswax. Much better. So I normally make a quadruple batch, but for video purposes I'm making a simple single batch. Before I start this process, I already put the glass Pyrex pot on the electric hot plate. I have it on medium-low heat, and I preheated it because you don't want to burn any of the ingredients. We just want to melt them so we can combine them. The purpose of the steel plate is to cool the wax quickly. I found it takes 20 minutes for it to cool down off a piece of wood or something like that, and I just got tired of waiting. So I put this piece of steel in the refrigerator before I start so that it cools pretty fast. I learned pretty fast that if you just pour it in the cup, it's real hard. So what I do is I pour it and then I mush it, similar to blending in a big factory. This way it's real nice and more cream-like when you go to put it on. So here's my base recipe. You can do as small as 0.8 grams, as much as 16. If you want to duplicate Lush exactly, do this recipe at 8 grams. This is a $9 hot plate I got from Goodwill. The scale I'm using is accurate to plus or minus 0.03 of a gram. We'll go up to 500 grams. Very accurate and makes things easy to reproduce once you come up with the formula that works best for you. Normally I'm pretty sensitive about shooting a video like this, but part of this channel is showing what amputees can do and addressing problems that amputees may have. Hopefully you can find some use out of this video and I'm sure Ultrabalm can be used for lots of other things. This is just what I use it for. And it smells good. Thanks for watching.